You are going to love the 2023 Blazer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, electronic parking brake, daytime running lamps. Inside you'll find cruise control, cup holders, compass, floor mats. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.